Are you tired of feeling like you're not good enough? And let me tell you something. If you've ever felt that fist of self-doubt squeezing your guts, if you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, I'm not good enough, you are not alone, not even a little bit. Here's the thing about confidence. It's not some magical gift you're born with, it's a skill. Just like learning to play the guitar or speak another language, confidence is built through practice and the right habits. And guess what? You can totally do this. In fact, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your confidence in just 7 days. That's right, 7 days to start feeling more powerful, more in control, more ready to take on whatever life throws your way. We're talking simple, actionable steps that you can work into your daily routine no matter how busy you are, because you deserve to feel amazing, and you deserve to feel that way now. So, are you ready to ditch the self-doubt and unleash the confident, incredible you? Let's do this! Alright, day 1 is all about setting the tone for the entire week. We're going to rewire your brain for success, and we're going to do it with the power of self-affirmations. Now stick with me here. I know it might sound a little woo-woo, but trust me, this stuff works. Find yourself a mirror, the bathroom mirror, your phone, whatever. Look yourself dead in the eye and repeat after me, I am capable. I deserve success. I can handle anything that comes my way. Go on, say it like you mean it. These are not just empty words. Every time you say these affirmations out loud, you're literally changing the neural pathways in your brain, training it to believe these positive things about yourself. It's like planting seeds of confidence that will grow throughout the week. Now, let's take it a step further with visualization. Close your eyes and imagine yourself absolutely crushing it in a situation that usually makes you nervous. See yourself giving that killer presentation, confidently chatting with new people at a party, or finally achieving that goal you've been working towards. Feel the rush of excitement, the sense of accomplishment. The more vividly you can see and feel it, the more your brain starts to believe it's possible. And when you believe in yourself, anything is possible. Alright, day 2 is all about building momentum. Remember that feeling you get when you finally accomplish something you've been putting off? It feels good, right? That's because our brains are wired to crave that sense of accomplishment. And the more we feel it, the more confident we become. So today's challenge is to set yourself up for a series of small wins. I'm not talking about running a marathon or writing a novel. Unless that's your thing, then go for it. I'm talking about the little things, making your bed as soon as you get up, finally tackling that pile of paperwork on your desk, going for a walk around the block. These seemingly insignificant tasks are actually huge confidence boosters. Why? Because every time you check something off your list, no matter how small, you're proving to yourself that you are capable, you are reliable, and you get things done. And here's the key. Celebrate each win, no matter how small. Pat yourself on the back, do a little victory dance, tell yourself, good job. It might sound silly, but acknowledging your accomplishments reinforces that feeling of success, which fuels your confidence even more. Okay, day 3 is where the magic really happens. We're diving headfirst into the discomfort zone, because guess what? That's where real growth happens. That's where confidence is forged. Think about it. Every time you've ever done something that scared you a little, something outside of your comfort zone, haven't you come out the other side feeling stronger, braver, more capable? Of course you have. So, today's challenge is to choose one thing, just one, that makes you a little nervous and do it. It could be as simple as striking up a conversation with someone new, trying a new workout class, or finally wearing that outfit you love, but always felt too self-conscious to rock. Here's the thing. It's not about being perfect. It's not about nailing it on the first try. It's about showing up, taking a risk, and proving to yourself that you are capable of handling whatever comes your way. And you know what? You might surprise yourself. You might discover a hidden talent, make a new friend, or simply realize that the thing you were so afraid of wasn't actually that scary after all. And that, my friend, is a recipe for unshakable confidence. Okay, day 4. Let's talk about gratitude. It might sound cheesy, but trust me, this is a game changer. Gratitude is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And the stronger your gratitude muscle, the harder it is to focus on the negative, self-doubting thoughts that can sabotage your confidence. So, here's your mission for today. Grab a notebook, open up the Notes app on your phone, or just find a scrap of paper. Whatever works for you. And write down 3 things, big or small, that you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as a warm cup of coffee on a chilly morning, a phone call with a loved one, or the fact that you woke up healthy and breathing today. It doesn't matter how big or small, just find 3 things. When you focus on the good, You literally rewire your brain to see the positive more easily. And when you see the positive, you feel more positive. And when you feel more positive, well, you know what happens next. Confidence starts to flow. All right, day 5. Let's talk about that voice inside your head. You know the one that loves to whisper doubts, fears, and insecurities. We all have it. But the good news is, we don't have to let it control us. Today, we're taking back control of our thoughts. Here's the deal. Our thoughts are incredibly powerful. They shape our beliefs, our actions, and ultimately, our reality. So if you're constantly bombarded with negative self-talk, it's no wonder you're struggling with confidence. But here's the good news. You can choose to challenge those negative thoughts and replace them with positive, empowering ones. It takes practice, but it's totally doable. Start by becoming aware of your negative self-talk. What are the things you tend to say to yourself when you're feeling insecure? Write them down. Now for each negative thought, come up with a positive, realistic counter thought. For example, instead of "I'm not good enough," try "I'm learning and growing every day." Instead of "I'm going to fail," try "I'm capable of figuring this out." Every time that negative voice pops up, challenge it with your new positive mantra. It might feel weird at first, but the more you do it, the easier it becomes. You're literally retraining your brain to focus on the positive, which will do wonders for your confidence. Alright, day 6, it's time to toot your own horn a little bit. No, seriously, when was the last time you really took the time to acknowledge all the amazing things about yourself? We tend to be so hard on ourselves, focusing on our flaws and shortcomings, that we forget to celebrate our strengths and accomplishments. So, today's challenge is to create a brag list. That's right, a list of all the things you're good at, all the challenges you've overcome, all the things that make you uniquely you. Don't be shy. Write it all down, big or small. It could be anything from mastering a new recipe to landing that big presentation at work to simply being a good friend. No accomplishment is too small to celebrate. Keep this list handy and refer to it whenever you're feeling a little low or your confidence starts to waver. It's a powerful reminder of how far you've come and all the amazing things you're capable of achieving. You made it. Day 7. Take a moment to celebrate how far you've come this week. You've actively worked on building your confidence, and that's huge. Now, let's take some time to reflect on your journey. Grab your journal or that notes app again and jot down your thoughts. How are you feeling compared to a week ago? What changes have you noticed in yourself? What challenges did you face, and how did you overcome them? What did you learn about yourself along the way? This is your chance to really internalize the lessons of the past 7 days and acknowledge the progress you've made. Remember, building confidence is an ongoing journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but the tools and techniques you've learned this week will be there for you whenever you need them. And hey, if you're up for it, share your experience in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can celebrate each other's wins and lift each other up. And that's it for our 7-day confidence challenge. Remember, even small changes when practiced consistently can lead to incredible results. Confidence isn't something that happens overnight, it's a muscle that you build over time. So be patient with yourself, celebrate your wins, and never ever give up on yourself. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these daily challenges resonated with you the most? Are you going to commit to incorporating any of these habits into your daily life? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your stories and cheering you on in your journey. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Infonest for more tips and strategies to empower your mind and live your best life. Until next time, stay confident and keep shining.